This month, we presented Douglas County AutoCare with two very special awards. They were selected as NAPA AutoCare's Center of the Year in the entire Atlanta Metro. Jeremy Whalen, NAPA Area Manager, presented the award at Douglas County AutoCare last month.
We've got a lot of referrals that come in, just from what he said, where you've been around in business in the community, you live here, you work here, so you get a lot of friends. Even with my kids in school now, we've kind of networked through the school, and we get friends, and they've got parents and grandparents and things. So it's built on what he started, years ago. Like you said, honesty, integrity. I mean, once you establish that and you build that trust in the community, you see it pays for itself. We get it done in. A lot of times it's a one-day prepared, one-day shop kind of deal. A lot of these people, they'll drop off in the morning on a key drop or after hours or before hours. They want to get the car back when they get off work, because we are on the west side of Atlanta. We don't have the MARTA, we don't have that kind of transit, so they have to arrange a ride and establish a way to get back and forth to work, pick up the kids throughout the day. We try to get that repair done in a timely fashion. So a lot of people are pleased with that. Daily basis almost, you see some of these folks, or you see their kids, or their kids are growing up, or their kids start driving. It's really neat to kind of be a part of that family, I guess you'd say, more than just a customer, in a repair shop. It's a community. That's what it's boiled down to.
In addition to NAPA AutoCare Center of the Year, Cliff Brewer was selected as ASE Technician of the Year. Present were Douglas County AutoCare shop owner Brett Hilton and his wife, Cliff Brewer and his wife, Jeremy Whalen, the NAPA Area Manager for the shop, Brandon Gatewood, Douglas County's NAPA Auto Parts Store Manager, and Brian Gardner from the NAPA AutoCare Atlanta's Business Development Group. Please join me in congratulating Douglas County AutoCare.
Now you have top local certified mechanics, quality, reliability, and efficiency standards backed by the national power of NAPA. Just look for the NAPA AutoCare logo. NAPA AutoCare Centers. The parts you trust are now the shops you rely on.